Hey everyone, Brad here again, and in this video I want to talk to you about winter tires. Now, as the resident car guy in my neighborhood or in my group of friends and my family, it's a question I get asked all the time. Do I really need winter tires in the snow, or will my all seasons that came with my car, or the ones that I have on it now, will they do the job? Stay tuned to find out what I think. Moving to my first example here, this is a tire that came off my Honda S2000, which yes, in fact, is an all-season rated tire. Clearly it's on the high performance side, you can tell by the tread on it as we get a little closer here, but this tire is actually rated to be driven in the snow and in the ice, and obviously at temperatures below that. Now of course this one's worn out pretty bad, but on the inside certainly, there's the camera in the car. But on the outside, you can see this is pretty decent tread left. If this were to carry across the entire face of the tread, again, it says according to the manufacturer, this qualifies as a winter tire or a tire that can be driven in the snow. Now, I don't know about you folks, but where I live, we can get a couple of feet of snow, a good 30 to 60 centimeters here. We're in definitely a winter country as well. And I've driven enough. ABS takes some of the fear out of it, but honestly, with a tread like this, you'd be taking your life into your hands, especially if it's on any car like this one over here, which is the one that I'm taking apart soon. That yes, I actually used to drive it in the snow because it was awesome, but again, not with these tires. These tires are horrible, and frankly, make that car undrivable. Now I'm going to turn over to another set of tires that I have that will show you exactly what I'm trying to talk about here and how much better they would be than these folks. As I was saying, here's one of the winters. It's actually pretty worn out, to be honest. Not a lot of tread here, but look at if you're looking for winter, starting the light here, sipes are really helpful for gripping on ice, even digging through snow, but they're more for gripping, frozen surfaces. Lots of deep tread here, or would be if these things weren't so worn out. Good for evacuating water, like all the commercials you see. And then obviously the compound makes the hugest difference in my opinion. That's, again, my opinion, but some cars, well, put it this way, the tires on this bike, which are wicked or super sport, even if it's perfectly dry, these things are practically useless. They're like hockey pucks below 5 degrees Celsius, or call it 37, 40 Fahrenheit. So it doesn't matter what the tread looks like on those, even though obviously those things are nowhere near for anything but the hottest of summer days. But no matter what the tread even looks like, the compound makes all the difference. So, especially in the last 10 years or so, I'm amazed at how tire technology's come along. So man, if you only have one car, or if you're kind of fighting it, or you're not so sure, honestly, just get a set of winter tires. They're not that expensive. I even have these on another set of rims that just bolt right up. Makes it a 20-minute affair. And then you get the best of both worlds, man. This thing is so much fun to drive in the snow. Not that I do that much, although I am tempted to reinsure it once in a while just to go out and hoon on it in the snow, because what the hell, it's so much fun. Anyway, that's my 2 cents there. Feel free to comment. I look forward to anyone's feedback, positive or negative. I'm trying to learn here myself and just share some of my wisdom. But honest to God, get some winter tires. It's ridiculous that people don't think that they need them anywhere where the snow sticks around for any length of time. Anyway, thanks for listening, folks. As always, Brad from Brad on Cars. Always looking forward for comments and likes and subscribes. I love doing this, and the more of those I get, the more likely I'm going to do it. So hope you guys have a great time, and happy motoring. Take care.